The journey of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited is a journey to remember. Vizag Steel Plant has a rich history. In 1971, the foundation stone of the company was laid. The project was originally conceived as one of the 5 operating units of SAIL. The government decided to form a new corporate entity called Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. Accordingly, RINL was formed on 18th February 1982. A site near Balacheruvu Creek was selected for setting up the first shore-based integrated steel plant in the country. The desolate land was transformed into the most modern steel plant in the country in a matter of just 10 years, that is from 1982 to 1992. Preparation for gigantic structures were on with activities like site leveling excavation and erection of structures in various units. But the project quickly hit a roadblock with a substantial increase in the project cost, raising serious questions on its economic viability. A thorough review was done. A rationalized concept was mooted. The idea was to obtain maximum output from the equipment already installed or planned for procurement. The year 1992 saw the full-fledged commissioning of the 3 million ton plant. Plant operations started in a decontrolled regime. At a time when there was a deep downtrend in steel markets in the early 90s. Coupled with high interest cost, this resulted in losses in 1993. The first capital restructuring plan was then introduced. The company achieved its first operating profit in 93-94 and the first cash profit in 94-95. However, the cumulative losses kept piling up even after a second restructuring assistance. The grit and determination of highest order exhibited by the RINL collective put RINL on the path of turnaround and brought its then tagline, Vizag Steel, Pride of Steel, to life. With innovative technological interventions, production performance picked up 2000 onwards, and RINL achieved rated capacities by the year 2002. Sensing the market needs, VSP astutely shifted its focus from mild steels to value-added steels to serve niche markets. Together with the decreasing interest burden, VSP could achieve net profits for the first time in 2002-03. RINL went on to make net profits for 13 continuous years from 2002-03 to 2014-15. VSP doubled its capacity by expansion to 6.3 million ton through commissioning of facilities like Sinter Machine 3, Blast Furnace 3, Special Bar Mill. Modernization drive was taken up. Category 1 capital repair of BF1 and 2 to increase the working volume of the furnaces, revamping of 3 converters in SMS1 and revamping of Sinter machines were taken up. During the same time, RINL completed other projects like commissioning of 3rd converter, 4th caster and twin ladle furnace in SMS2. Also, the 2nd operating unit of RINL, the forged wheel plant at Lalganj to produce forged wheels to cater to the requirement of Indian Railways as an import substitution, is also ready to roll out its finished products. Pressurized by the expansion and modernization activities, RINL suffered its first losses in 14 years in 2015-16 due to dumping of cheap steel products. While dealing with the learning curve and stabilization of the modernized and expanded units, long product markets experienced prolonged sluggishness. 2018-19 provided slight relief. However, 2019-20 witnessed again a deep downtrend. The first half of 2020, as we all know, was marked by COVID-19 related restrictions. Challenge ahead is overwhelming as we are facing a severe cash crisis now. But certainly, the challenge is not insurmountable. Our story, RINL story, is replete with setbacks to fightbacks and unprecedented successes. Even in the midst of the crisis, there is hope in the form of reviving domestic markets, as can be seen in the upward trend in production, and we registered PAT from the month of December 20 onwards. The confidence of operating at higher levels of productivity presents us with a greater opportunity to stage yet another turnaround. Let us all resolve today on 39th RINL Formation Day to give our best in turning around this wonderful company through gutsy performances, resilience in the face of uncertainty, initiation to solve any problem, and tenacity of never say die kind. Thank you for watching this video.